So Stache, what is on the agenda for us tonight, sir?
We are going to see the Film Shorts Festival at Somerset Community College.
That's right.
Right now we're eating at Popeye's Louisiana Kitchen.
But we're in Kentucky, though. We're not in Louisiana.
I know, but it's still called that, so if it's... What do you have to say, AJ?
I'm eating Popeyes right now.
We're eating Popeyes right now.
We're in Popeye's right now.
We've now made it on the SCC's campus. Just a few hours till the event kicks off. Stache, what are you looking forward to at this event today, sir?
I have no idea who is doing what, so hopefully some good short films.
So in the meantime, we're just sitting in the classroom getting our lesson in for today, aren't we, Stache?
Yeah, I think AJ is teaching us something math related.
You know what this is, Josh?
No, I do not.
It's okay.
What is it?
Implicit differentiation. It's called.
Implicit differentiation.
Differentiation?
Implicit is nuts.
AJ, tell us a fun fact about Nikola Tesla.
Had a gambling addiction.
Boom. So today took a turn of events because now we're teaching old Stache here how to properly drive. Gonna get that intermediate test, boy. Yeah, you cozy there yet?
Okay.
How are you feeling right now, Josh?
I'm nervous.
Don't worry, it's okay. You got this, buddy. Okay. Worst case scenario, we all just die in a fiery car crash, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me hold your
Okay, we just got out of the parking space. We haven't died yet. You're doing good, Josh. You're doing good. Getting a feel for the wheel, aren't we?
I don't know about that.
You haven't hit any curbs yet. We're still doing good. AJ's in the back just reading the paper. What a man. And we're coming up on the infamous John Paul Alexander. Hello, sir. Stache, we have Haley with us now, this loser.
I'm here.
Just have the camera on the whole time to see what she does.
That's what I'm doing. Just
This is awful. My eyes are really swollen.
yeah, now we're all cozied up on the picnic blanket. I'm right next to this cutie right here.
I'm not.
Hey, cutie. Yeah, got my date tonight. And AJ's got his date tonight.
Oh, yes.
Oh, what a fine-looking woman with a fine-looking man, Mr. Andrew Tompkins.
Haley, are you gonna take that?
Fine looking, aren't we?
Haley, are you gonna take that? Him calling in another girl?
Yeah.
Gary's here now, by the way. I've been vlogging tonight.
Check.
Yeah, spitting on the mic. Oh, literally, he just wiped his mouth. You're a cutie, Stache.
Vais directos al campo de fútbol.
Carmelia le dijo a Bullet que esperaría en el
This is your favorite one yet, Stache?
Carmelia me di. Oh, Carmelia.
And now we appear to be having some technical difficulties.
Would you produce my short film?
No.
Oh, okay. And just like that, we're wrapping things up quite literally with the blanket here because Haley doesn't know how to fold to save her life.
I usually I can fold it, but it goes into a bag.
It goes into a bag. That's the setup. That was the Shorts Film Festival. What do you have to say about that, Mr.
It was
Nabnett?
very different and interesting.
Gary, what was your favorite
Bear?
short film?
Gay Bear?
Yeah, E-Schedule, is that your favorite short film?
Yeah, it is actually.
And we're going to finish this night with a quote from Juan Mace. What do you got to say, Mr. Mace?
I have to say that audio men rock.
Oh, yes, he did. Very handsome indeed also.